Alright, we're going to go over a fun part of loading your QCS and OES or EES frame. So what I have here actually is your body of your QCS tilting frame, and you see you got your EES rail bolted on. This is steel, and you got your lightweight aluminum body. Here's your channels that allows you to slide, and here's your selection points that allow you to place a pin in here to change the tilt angle. Right now we're going to load this up with an element, the ring toss pegs. Some of these, the paint got inside the holes, so you might have to sand them out. These ones already worked on, so should slide in nice and well. After you get one of the pegs in, you're going to reach into your little baggie here. We're going to pull out a couple nuts and washers. So get the round end of the washer, have it facing the nut, and we're going to take it on the back side. And we're going to start screwing in by hand this peg once I get it all straight. There we go. So this is actually really easy. I'm just turning on the front and the back. And once it's tight, you can literally just hand tighten it if you want. Get a 15/16 wrench. Just lightly tighten it down. There it is. Here's what it looks like on the back side. So I'm going to continue that. Set the gap just under 3 feet. Have a decent sized wingspan. For children or beginners, if you want, you can utilize every hole, whatever you prefer. Perfect. Now you're set, and you can set this up into your base frame hanging above.